In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the background in Google Meet. Have you ever been in a meeting where you wanted to appear as naturally as possible without any virtual backgrounds getting in the way? Well, today I'll guide you through just how to do that. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to google.com. Whether you prefer using Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other web browser, just open a new tab, type google.com in the address bar and press enter. Once there, locate the Google Apps icon. It's a small grid consisting of 9 dots. You'll usually find this icon at the top right corner of your screen, just beside your profile picture if you're signed into your Google account. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear showcasing various Google apps. Now from this menu, look for the Meet app. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll down or even click on More to display additional apps. Once you spot the Meet app, give it a click. Now we're in Google Meet. It's time to start a new meeting. There's a bright, noticeable button labeled New Meeting. Click on it to proceed. Once you've done that, you'll see a few options. For our purpose today, let's go ahead and click on Start an Instant Meeting. This will immediately bring you into the meeting interface. Once your meeting has launched, you'll see a variety of options at the bottom of the screen. Look for the More Options button, often represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on it and then scroll down to find Video Settings. This section contains all the configurations related to your video feed, including background settings. Next, we need to navigate to the Settings menu. Once you're in the settings, you'll find several tabs on the left-hand side. Look for the one that says Backgrounds and Effects. Click on it, and the background settings options will appear on the right. Now, among the various options presented, you'll see one labeled Backgrounds. Click on it, and a series of background effects will become visible. This is where you normally select different backgrounds, but today we want to turn them off. To do this, simply click on the currently selected background effect to deactivate it. And that's it. Your background should now be turned off. Congratulations, you're all set. Now you know how to turn off the background in Google Meet, keeping your meetings authentic and focused, entirely on you. Thank you for following along, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day.